Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be taking a look at some more bobs and pixie haircut styles. First up, we have this really cute pixie cut. I love the overall shape that the stylist did here. This has so much volume. Very pretty. And she's got the two-toned color going here. Next up, we have a cut refresh. So she's at the salon getting a refresh cut of her pixie. Ooh. Now her pixie features a lot of volume too. She's got the longer sideburns going here. Very popular right now. Very nice and chic feathered bangs. And this particular pixie does have more of that like 90s feel and aesthetic to it. This came out so cute. So next up we have someone showing us how she curls her pixie in order to get that textured, kind of messy, chic look. So you can use one of those like baby flat irons for this technique. You just kind of do a little bit of a wave curl. And this creates a lot of volume to the hair too. And obviously you want to make sure you have enough hair to actually curl. You can also curl the hair with rollers as well. Leave them in overnight, sleep with them if you didn't want to put as much heat on your hair. But very cute style, definitely giving us the messy chic vibe. And then we have somebody rocking out a natural curly pixie style. Very popular cut right now. A lot of women embracing their curls. And then we move into this really pretty red bob. This color is absolutely gorgeous on her. Her hair has so much body and movement. Followed by a haircut transformation. So the stylist is letting her do a little bit of a cut herself. And of course, he's gonna go in and clean things up. Oh, and she ends up getting a retro mushroom style pixie. Very nice. A beautiful bob haircut with the tussle curls here for the next one. Color looks so pretty. Beautiful dimensional tones. Very nice. So here we have another cut refresh. So you can see there she has that dramatic angle. I think that this is a fun hairstyle. It's a beautiful asymmetrical shape. Hair is dramatically longer on one side versus the other. Very cute bob. So here we have someone with pretty long hair. I'd say about mid-back length. Ooh, she gets an asymmetrical pixie here. So pretty and fun. I love it. So for this one, she's going to be getting some color done here. So if you're looking for a simple way to kind of shake things up, you don't have to always cut your hair to have fun. You can just get some color. Beautiful blonde makeover. Oh, look at this cute chocolate pixie. So she's got a nice choppy texture here for this cut. I love the color, spot on for the fall season. And that texture really just adds a nice amount of volume to the hair. It also adds a little bit of spiciness as well. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles that have been featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.